Hi friends, welcome to day 28 of the 180 days mains challenge. Guys, we are covering the entire GS mains syllabus in this 180 days plan. You can use this plan to cover the entire GS main syllabus, guys. So let us see today's PYQ. Examine the factors responsible for depletion of groundwater in India. What steps have been taken by government to mitigate such depletion of groundwater? So guys, as I have told you that introduction is very important. Okay, so you can see here, here I have written groundwater is crucial resource which sustains Indian agriculture sector, industries and drinking water supply. Okay, so this is a very good introduction. Here I have also given a fact in the introduction. India is the world's largest extractor of groundwater, responsible for 25% of global usage. Guys, you can underline some important facts. This is very important. World's largest extractor of groundwater. However, what I have said is the rising population demand is resulting into over extraction of groundwater. Then factors responsible for depletion of groundwater. First factor is agriculture. Guys, agriculture is responsible for around 80% of groundwater extraction in India. This is because of the faulty cropping pattern, use of water intensive crops. Particularly, guys, in states like Punjab, Haryana, groundwater depletion is very steep. Second reason is drinking water supply. Guys, with increasing population, India is now the largest population on the earth, and with increasing population, demand for drinking water is increasing. Next is groundwater contamination. Guys, because of industrial effluents and also agriculture runoff, groundwater gets polluted. Next, guys, okay, you can see here, next reason of groundwater depletion is salinization of groundwater. Okay, because of over extraction. Next is climate change. Because of climate change, guys, over extraction of groundwater is happening. Next, guys, steps taken by government of India. So here you can see I have divided the steps into policy, schemes and institutions. Always, whenever you get a question on what are the steps taken by government, divide into policy, schemes and institutions. Policy, it is the National Water Policy 2012, talks about rainwater harvesting and conservation of groundwater. Schemes, we have Atal Bhujal Yojana, which is about the groundwater management. Amrit Sarovar, then Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, which incentivizes drip irrigation. Then we have watershed development, which basically for the rain-fed areas, water and soil conservation. Next we have the Jal Shakti Abhiyan for rainwater harvesting, and institution we have the Central Groundwater Board, which basically manages the groundwater. In the end, I have linked groundwater with sustainable development goal in India.